Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Strategy. I've been sick for the last week. I've been in bed most of the week, and on top of that it was Shark Week, so I'm finally out of bed. I'm going to try to do something fun today. I'm going to start off by marking my face. And this is mainly for illustration for you. So I'm marking the middle, and then from the nose to the outer edge of my eye. So this highest point here means that my arc of the color needs to be at least there to create a lift. I've been doing light brows a lot these days because of my hair, but I want to do kind of a darker, evil look. So I'm going to do Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. I'm taking a Sephora Pro angled brush. I really like this one because it's super thin. The reason why I'm starting with the bottom is because I recently tweezed my brows and I don't want to add color on the top and continue to raise it. So what I'm really doing here is I'm focusing on where I want the arch to be. Just to make it easier today. See how I'm taking that brow all the way out to that angle that I pre-made? Notice how I do each brow, like I alternate. That's just my style because I want to make sure that it's balanced. Joey, come here, up. Joey, why are you being so distracting? Since the brows are done, I'm going to take this middle part off. I'm going to take this part off, but I'm going to leave the marks that I did on my eyelid. Next, going in with a black eyeliner. This is Urban Decay 24/7. I'm going to carve out the shape with my eyes opened. And one thing I really realized is when I do like a cat eye or a wing, when you look down at a mirror and you raise your brows, it actually changes the shape of your eye. So what I want to do is mark with everything open. Ooh, I forgot to prep my eye. That's why it's so greasy. Dude, that's looking great. Okay, this one's practice, so let's do it legit on the other side. Taking my RCMA palette, I'm going to find a skin tone color and using my finger, because this is a wax-based product, I'm going to put that foundation all over my eye. It's a little bit lighter, it's a little bit pinky, but that's okay. Here's that line that I made before. I want to make sure that it hits at least here with my eyes open. If I want an almond shape, I want the shape to look like that. And I'm actually going above my crease. So this one is like more angular. It's like going straight and up, and this one's more round, so I need to fix that. Like my eye shape is different on both sides, so that's why it's probably a little bit more challenging too. When you're doing a look like this, you can't just look at each eye and follow that eye shape. You have to adjust to make it symmetric. Going into a MAC NC20 concealer. You know what I just thought? I feel like I look like the Incredibles. I look like I'm wearing a mask. Then I'm gonna take this really cool color. It's like a burgundy with green shimmer. Yeah, dipping that right in there. Moment of truth. Let's see. Ooh, do you see that? So pretty. It's like purple, green, silver. Putting the wet portion in the center, and then I'm going to let it dry and then gradient it out. Now I'm only focusing on the center, same brush, and do the inside. Because I've been sick, my face is super dull, so I want to put some luminizer. This is Shu Uemura Base Control in gold. This is discontinued. I'm going to take this MAC dual fiber brush and just put that all over. Really focusing on the parts that would naturally get highlighted with light. I'm going to use my Kevyn Aucoin The Ethereal List mixed with a little bit of Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. Using my fingers. Finger. Blending that in. And I'm going back into that MAC NC20 concealer. Just going in the areas that need a little bit more coverage. So I feel like this highlight in the center is still a little bit too dark, so I'm going to and then kind of roll it on top, just in the center. Alright, I contoured off camera and I'm going to powder my face now. Focusing on the T-zone and underneath the eyes. It's almost like I'm using it as a contour, but I'm adding color. Okay, I'm going into my Pro Kit, and these are my lip liners from my Smithfolio. I'm going to go for the darkest color I have. Let's do this wine color. It's by Jane Iredale in Berry. It's not that vampy. Alright, lining the lips. Gonna mark the center. And this time, instead of doing like a rounded Cupid's bow, I wanted to make it angular. I'm gonna take this Lorac dark lip gloss. So this is from my pro kit. I'm going to take a disposable doe foot applicator. Taking this out, putting this in. Taking my leaf lip brush, I'm going to distribute this color now. Can I get away with it? I think I can. Okay, eyeliner, lashes, and then a little accessories, and I'll complete the look. I was thinking for lashes, I was going to try these Monda Studio 117s or these House of Lashes Iconic. These are going to be more of a defined shape, the House of Lashes, because they're kind of like pokey at the ends. Let's see. Ooh. And then the 117s are going to be more of a curved, natural shape. I'm going to be wearing an accessory that kind of has this like pointy action, so I think I might do the House of Lashes. I'm going to trim these and I will be right back. Curling the lashes. I'm working quickly because as the adhesive is drying on the lash, I need to hurry up and put it on my eyes. Mascara. Lashes are going on. Lashes are going on.